welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am bringing to you what I carry in my shooting bag. And हमारा जो shooting bag होता है ना, it is actually indoor as well as आउटडोर के लिए हम क्यूरेट करके रखते हैं. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि हमको आउटडोर लोकेशन में जाके शूट करना पड़ता है, सो वी नीड टू टेक फ्यू एसेंशियल आइटम्स. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Starting off, this is my shooting bag. It's a black bag and बैग के साथ मैं मैच कर गया. आई शुड हैव केप्ट इन माइंड, तो मैं कोई कॉन्ट्रास्ट कलर का पहनती टी शर्ट, बट एनीवेज या एंड मैं अपने बैग में ये लॉक लगा कर रखती हूँ क्योंकि एक बार ऐसा हुआ था दैट आई हैड लॉस्ट मनी, लाइक आई हैड लॉस्ट $500. समवन हैड स्टोलन फ्रॉम इट. ओके, ज्यादा चीजें नहीं लेके जाते. वी ट्राई टू कीप इट वेरी मिनिमल. एंड खाना पीना इस बैग में नहीं रहता है. खाने पीने के लिए हम दूसरा कुछ लेके जाते हैं. इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू वॉच कि खाने पीने के लिए हम क्या लेके जाते हैं शूटिंग में और कैसे लेकर जाते हैं, देन कमेंट में बताइए या फिर मुझे इंस्टाग्राम पे डीएम कर दीजिए. मे बी आई कैन कम विद दैट वीडियो ऑल्सो. सो स्टार्टिंग ऑफ, पहले तो ऐसा इंडिविजुअल चीज से मैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ जो ऐसे ही पड़े हुए हैं मेरे बैग के अंदर. स्टार्टिंग ऑफ विद दिस बॉडी मिस्ट, और यू कैन कैरी अ बॉडी परफ्यूम ऑल्सो. इट इज विक्टोरिया सीक्रेट्स बेयर वनीला. यू ऑट टू कीप दिस बिकॉज आप जब कॉस्ट्यूम पहनते हो, दूसरा अपने कॉस्ट्यूम से लाइक फॉर शूटिंग कॉस्ट्यूम पहनते हो, यू नीड टू हैव दिस थिंग. एंड अगर इफ यू शूटिंग फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, you feel very restless and your body starts smelling or stinking because of the sweating, you need to have this. It's good for yourself also because you will be feeling refreshed and बाकियों को भी परेशानी नहीं होगी. Next we have a very important thing which is a sunscreen, and this is by Neutrogena Ultra Sheer SPF 50+. You need to have this if you are going for an outdoor shoot because धूप में होता है, बाहर होता है, एंड यू विल बी गेटिंग टैन. सो आप फेस पर तो नहीं लगा सकते आफ्टर गेटिंग अ मेकअप डन, बट आपके हैंड्स एंड नेक ये सब रीजन यू कैन सन प्रूफ इट. जब मैं पहले शूट के लिए गई थी, जब मेरा पहला था शूट का दिन ना, दैट टाइम आई डिडंट वेयर एन SPF, आई डिडंट वेयर अ सनस्क्रीन, एंड ओ माय गॉड, आई स्टिल रिग्रेट इट बिकॉज आई कुड सी अ क्लियर टैन. लाइक यहाँ तक का कुर्ती था. This area was like tan and this area was fair, and you should have it. You should keep it with yourself. The next item is a comb, a hair comb. Why we have this hair comb is every artist has a personal hair comb. Just because कि सभी का hair issues होता है. Some might be facing dandruff issue, hair fall issue. किसी जुएं होते हैं, lice होते हैं. So it is always better to keep a personal comb of yourself जो hairdresser use करती है, and then she returns to you so that you can keep that in your bag because you won't face hair issue. But always keep a personal hair comb for yourself. Then moving on, okay, I want to talk to you about this product. I always carry this one with me. It is Serona's Pea Buddy. It's a hygiene kit that I carry with myself. I want to show you this product, which is the Serona Pea Buddy before and after toilet spray. बहुत टाइम ऐसा होता है जब हम आउटडोर शूट के लिए जाते हैं, the washrooms are not very clean, and even if they are clean, you are always very skeptical to use it. I mean, you are like very scared to use it कि भाई गंदा होगा. And especially during this corona time, this pandemic time, you are very much scared to use the public washrooms. Girls, you might be agreeing with me. जब भी हम public washroom use करते हैं, we squat. We don't sit on that seat. We squat and pee, which is really very difficult. Sometimes someone is having a knee ache, someone is having a backache, and it's very difficult to squat and pee. So this one is very helpful. I carry it with me every time whenever I go to a public place.
It is very convenient to use. Just spray this at a distance and wait for few seconds before you use.
Even if after this आपका मन नहीं मानता है, आपके मन में तसल्ली नहीं होती कि नहीं स्प्रे करने के बाद is it still ready to use, और थोड़ा सा ऐसा झिझक होता है, then you can use this product. This product is a toilet seat cover. You have many packets here. I'll just open up one for you. So this is how the toilet seat cover looks like. You need to tear this part. ये जो बीच का part है, you need to tear this off before using it. So this flap needs to be torn. Yeah, ये वाला you need to tear this off. like this. And then you need to place it on the toilet seat. So you can easily sit on it and pee. You don't have to worry about all the germs coming in contact with the skin, whatever. After peeing, please make sure that you dispose this one.
To check out more products from Sirona, please see the description box.
Moving on, we have this makeup kit. Makeup is always provided on the sets, but कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि ना few prefer taking their personal makeup. I don't take my base makeup and everything. This is a normal makeup pouch that I carry with myself everywhere I go. And कभी-कभी कुछ lip shades होते हैं that I like using, but that's not available on the set. And जो lipsticks available होते हैं वो बहुत जन use करते हैं. So it is always better if you can carry your own lipstick and few knickknacks if you want to use them. I particularly carry an eyeshadow palette, lipsticks to use. That's it. Then coming to this pouch, this is my charging kit, you can say. I'll open it up for you. I have a power bank, a charger. Actually now the iPhone users need to carry their charger because if you don't have any other Apple user in your crew or in your artist's family, you will be needing this charger like hell. So I never forget to carry this charger. This particular pouch is what is the main thing that I carry every day when I go to shoot. ये मम्मा हमेशा मेरे हर पाउच में रखती है. Every time that I travel or everywhere that I go, अगर मैं जब कॉलेज भी जाती हूँ तो मेरे पेंसिल पाउच में I have this is साई बाबा का विभूति जो शिरडी से लाए थे. Not just mine, मेरे डैड के वॉलेट में, मेरे मम्मा के पर्स में हमेशा साई बाबा का विभूति मिलेगा. थोड़ा सा पैसा है इसमें और यहाँ पर एक स्टाइलिश पेन है which I use during editing. So that is what was there in this pouch. And this is a बड़ा वाला pouch. एक छोटा सा item miss हो गया था which is an Orbit का chewing gum. You always need to have this because who does not hate bad breath? I mean, you also hate it. The ones you are interacting with also will hate you if you are having a bad breath. So always keep a chewing gum in your bag. This is the last pouch that I'm having, which is, I'll just tell you. Okay, so at times what happens is, just in case, I don't know why my mind imagines everything which is just in case, but just in case some mishap happens with the costume, with the outfit, I should have a backup innerwear. So I have innerwear in it, which I'm not gonna show you. Then I have an extra mask. Then I have a razor, क्योंकि कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आप मेकअप लेते टाइम ना मेकअप दादा बोले अरे तुम्हारे यहाँ पर मूंछ आ गया है. सो इट लुक्स वेरी बैड ऑन कैमरा क्योंकि वो कैमरा जब फोकस करता है सो इट लुक्स वेरी बैड. सो यू कैन क्विकली जस्ट शेव दिस ऑफ. So one razor, and this has this cap thing on top of that plastic cover, so I use it for that. Then I have few sanitary napkins. You should always carry with yourself, and if you are using tampons, then tampons, but I prefer sanitary napkins over tampons. Okay, so that's it with this bag. We are done with this bag too. And yeah, bas bag khali ho gaya. There is nothing. There are just few tissue papers and एक दुपट्टे का मेरा पॉम पॉम गिर गया था जो होली के टाइम पे मैंने दुपट्टा यूज किया था शूट में. उसी दुपट्टे का मेरा वो पॉम पॉम बैग में पड़ा हुआ है so that I can stitch that later. So yeah, my bag is empty now. So I guess this is the end of the video. So with this, we come to this end of the video. If you do like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Till then, ta-da! Love, love!